Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the time and date on a Citizen radio controlled atomic timekeeping Eco Drive watch with Caliber H610 610. First step is to pull the crown once, wait for the second hand to stop moving, and turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to choose your current city. I will choose New York City as my current city. Press the lower right button to choose between summertime on or off, with automatic radio update or with manual update. Press the upper right button once and pull the crown one more time to position 2. Wait for the second hand to stop moving. Turn the crown to set the minutes of your local time. Once you are done, press the upper right button once and now turn the crown clockwise or anti-clockwise to choose the hour of your local time. Pay close attention to the 24-hour dials to know if it's morning or afternoon. Press the upper right button again and now turn the crown to choose the day. Press the upper right button one more time. Now it's time to choose the correct year and month. So we're gonna face the chronograph second hand to one of those numbers. For example, for May 2019 it's 28. So we're gonna turn the second hand, the chronograph second hand to 28 minutes. Right now it's in 28 minutes. Once you're done, push the crown back to the 0 position and the setting has been done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.